Hello kids again.
Hello.
Hello. And now we want to tell you the answer to this. And we are not going to tell you by saying something. We'll show you. Okay? And then you will see what this is. And I will later explain to you why we got this. First thing to notice, it looks very circular. And you see straight lines coming out of this point.
Every side is same.
Okay? Every direction is same. The lines are coming out straight out of this point. And same thing is here. These lines are coming straight, radially outwards. Now let's see what happens. If I throw more, herein lies the magic. Have you seen this before?
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness, have you seen this before, Arav?
Nope.
No?
Never.
Never?
Nope. Nope.
Are you sure? We saw this in the first video itself. Yes, didn't you see this? Doesn't it appear familiar? Don't remember? Don't you remember, Arush? No? These are the magnetic field lines due to a bar magnet. Don't you remember?
Boy.
Huh?
There's only one magnet in this.
Yes, there is only one magnet in this. So, what happened? You're surprised? Huh?
Yes.
Very surprised?
After you sprinkle it over and over and
Then you understand, huh?
one bar magnet like here.
Yes. You know what it means? I was in the beginning showing you only these parts.
And
I did not throw anything anywhere, right? Else. Okay? It means those were the magnetic field lines at near the poles, near the North Pole and near the South Pole. And they were all coming out straight, radially outwards from there. You understand?
yes.
Okay. Now what I will do is, I will also show you this one. Okay. Which we showed in the previous video. Let me put a bit more.
Like
Yeah, help me. Okay, it looks like maybe there are three magnets, right? 1, 2, 3. But no. Okay, maybe those of you who have understood what is happening, try to understand that this is generated by two magnets. I will show you by flipping it over that indeed this is by two magnets, and it's simple to argue that this is what you will get. Okay, let me show you by flipping it over. There are only two magnets, and something very interesting is happening which I was not aware of, that this will happen. Nilma, can you just go below this and show what is there just below this? Wait, Arush, wait. Do you see this? The way they are hanging. Okay. See you guys then later. Bye bye. Keep thinking.
bye bye.
Close.